Hey there, welcome to our latest video on the best cheap security cameras under $50. As security cameras become an essential part of our daily lives, it's important to find a camera that fits our budget without compromising on the quality and features. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at some of the best affordable security cameras that you can buy for under $50. We'll be considering factors like video quality, field of view, night vision, motion detection, and other features that you may need to keep your home or office secure. We understand that not everyone has a big budget for security cameras, but that doesn't mean you have to compromise on safety. You'll be surprised to know that there are plenty of cheap security cameras that offer great value for money. Whether you're looking for an indoor camera, an outdoor camera, or a camera that can be used both indoors and outdoors, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our list of the best cheap security cameras under $50. Number 1. Wisecam V3. The Wisecam V3 is the best cheap security camera in terms of overall quality. It comes with a starlight sensor that allows it to record sharp nighttime videos in color when there's dim ambient lighting. Cloud storage is another way Wise distinguishes itself from other cheap security camera brands, which usually aren't competitive with mid-range brands like Arlo and Ring. Wisecam Plus is a rare exception with the cheapest monthly cloud plan of any home security camera. It starts around $2 a month for each Wise camera, and if you pay annually, about $15 a year, the effective monthly cost drops to $1.25 per camera. This is more than worth it, especially since Wise's free cloud storage option imposes some tight restrictions: 12-second video clips and motion alerts, each with a 5-minute cooldown. You can also use a microSD card if you want to save more and don't want to deal with a recurring cloud plan. The largest card the camera supports is a 32GB microSD card, which is less than some rivals but big enough for reliable performance. Number 2. Reolink E1 Pro. The Reolink E1 Pro has the best video quality among inexpensive home security cameras costing $50 or less. The crisp 1440p video has 77% more pixels than a standard 1080p security camera, meaning it can capture more detail than the competition. During our tests of the E1 Pro's upgraded sibling, the E1 Zoom, we discovered an exceptional devotion to video quality. It focuses not only on good-looking videos but also quality-of-life features. You can optimize this camera's video like none other by choosing different resolutions, frame rates, and bitrates. We love this kind of flexibility. We also like that Reolink's free cloud storage is actually practical compared to similar offerings from Wise and Yi. It applies only to a single camera, and footage sticks around for just 24 hours, but the videos don't have onerous length restrictions. Reolink's paid cloud plans are a great deal if you have the maximum number of allowable cameras, but not so much otherwise. Number 3. Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24. The Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24, formerly Eufy Indoor Cam 2K, is one of the cheapest security cameras compatible with all three major smart home platforms: Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. This is quite a feat since all other HomeKit compatible cameras, like Arlo, cost $65 or more. This flexibility makes it ideal for any smart home. We also like that it has 2K video resolution for a lower price than the Reolink E1 Pro. This gives videos more detail than a standard 1080p surveillance camera, which is impressive for a camera under $40. We also like that it has a 125 degrees field of view, which is good for a camera of this price. Eufy's cloud storage costs about $3 a month, bucking the trend of cheap camera cloud plans costing more than similar fare from Arlo and Ring. As the name implies, this is strictly an indoor camera. We read many customer reviews saying it doesn't do well with colder temperatures, so unheated garages and workshops can limit its performance during the winter. Number 4. Zosi C190. You can use the Zosi C190 inside and outdoors thanks to a durable design that's weather and vandal resistant. At night, this weatherproof camera can see up to 80 feet using infrared LEDs so you can spot problems way out in the yard. It has a secret nighttime weapon: bright white LEDs for full-color night vision close to the camera. This Zosi C190 looks like what you expect from bullet cameras, which should scare away burglars on the prowl. You can find plenty of videos online from customers catching thieves in the act, thanks to this versatile, affordable HD security camera. It's a bummer that this camera doesn't have cloud video storage like the Wisecam V3 does, but storing video on a microSD card is a cheaper option in the long run anyway. The 90 degrees field of view is narrower than we'd like but won't cause too many problems if you find the right placement. Number 5. Yi Dome Camera U. The Yi Dome Camera U makes it easy to stay on top of everything in your home when you're away. Our favorite feature is a physical privacy shutter that hides the camera's lens when you don't want it recording video. You can even add a code in the app to keep others from using the camera. You can wave goodbye to blind spots because the Yi Dome Camera U features a bidirectional rotation range that captures panoramic scenes. Much like the competition, Yi recently started adding person and sound detection to its cameras, making its motion alerts more reliable overall. Best of all, you can store all those sweeping images online with the free CamiCloud plan. Unfortunately, the clips are only 6 seconds long, and the server deletes footage older than 24 hours. While you can fix this with a paid subscription, $5 a month for a single camera is more expensive than similar plans from Wyze, Ring, and Arlo. We also struggled with Yi's sparse customer support resources online.